Welcome to English Beginner Zone channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about morning routines. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about daily habits. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What is the first thing Lisa does when she wakes up? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video.
Good morning, Lisa. You look so full of energy today. How do you start your morning?
Good morning. I always wake up early at 6. The first thing I do is stretch my body.
That sounds very healthy. I usually check my phone first, but I want to change that bad habit.
You should try it. After stretching, I make my bed. It makes my room look very neat.
I agree. A clean room helps me think better. What do you do after you finish your bed?
I drink a glass of warm water. It helps my body wake up and feel very fresh.
I usually drink coffee. Is water better than coffee for a productive day?
Water is better first. After that, I have a healthy breakfast with some eggs and fresh fruit.
I often skip breakfast because I am in a hurry. I really need more energy for my studies.
Yes, breakfast is important. Then I spend 15 minutes reading a book or planning my goals.
Planning sounds smart. I often feel lost without a to-do list for my morning study session.
Exactly. Finally, I take a quick shower and get dressed to start my work with focus.
You have a very productive routine. I will try to stretch and drink water tomorrow morning too.
Start small. Even 5 minutes of stretching makes a big difference for your mood and health.
Do you ever feel tired in the morning? How do you stay so consistent?
Sometimes I do. But I remember how good I feel when my room is tidy and clean.
That is a good motivation. I want to feel good every morning just like you do.
We can do it together. We can check on each other every morning for motivation.
That is a great idea. Let's send a message after we finish our morning stretching.
Deal. It will be fun. Now, let's look at our books and start studying for today.
I feel ready now. Talking to you always makes me feel more productive and happy.
I am glad to hear that. A good conversation is also a great way to start.
I will write down stretch at the top of my list for tomorrow morning right now.
That is the first step. I am proud of you for wanting to improve.
The sun is bright. It is a perfect day to be productive and learn something new.
It really is. Let's focus on our goals and have a wonderful day, BoiBoi.
Yes, Lisa, let's do our best. I am excited to see my progress next week.
You will see it soon. Consistency is the key to success in everything we do.
Thank you for the advice. You are a very good friend and a great example.
You are welcome. Now, let's get to work and enjoy our study time together.
What is the first thing Lisa does when she wakes up? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.